Hi all, my name is Mrs. Somerville. I'm just going to keep the presentation like this because it's easier for me to navigate and not use full screen. I wanted to talk with you all, and unfortunately, due to everything going on in the world, I can't get to all of you, so I thought I would do a video on opportunities that are coming along this spring and this summer. So first of all, who am I? My name is Mrs. Somerville. Again, I'm the work-based coordinator. I'm a business teacher as well here. I teach first and fifth period and first and second period, second semester. And my classes are career seminar and personal finance management. Really quick, two truths and one lie to get to know me. This is my first time teaching at Highland Park High School. I have 3 kids here at Highland High School. I might have something to do with the coffee shop. And the lie is that I have 3 kids here at Highland. I actually have 2, and they would kill me if I put a picture of them. So I put a picture of my dog and cat. And this is my first year at Highland, but I was at Como for 8 years before here. And I'm definitely in charge of the coffee shop. We are selling our gear. Please come down and you can purchase it either before or after school, or you can always fill out a form right here. It's also on our webpage, and there's a form to fill out for our families if they wanted to buy some spiritware. Okay, so what am I working on? We have lots of classes here at Highland that you should be aware of, especially if you're interested in pursuing any sort of career in this in the future. So I am taking you out to our webpage, which explains kind of the 4 pathways that we have here. So our first is our wonderful ag program. And within the ag program, they even have business courses. So again, if you're interested in business or ag or both, I would definitely look into these courses. That's with Miss Braun and Miss Wedger. Then we also have what they're calling community justice education pathway. We will be holding a fall course, Intro to Urban Ed, which you will receive college credit if you complete that. So stay tuned to that. And then this spring, we're actually running a healthcare class with Bethel. Again, another course where you'll receive college credit. And we also have our amazing engineering courses with Mr. Manning. So again, check these courses out. And if it's something that you think you should be taking now to see if you want to pursue any of these careers, please do. So another thing I'm really trying to do here as well is bring in career speakers to see, again, if you would like to look into those careers more. So here's the past of what we've done. I always put these in Schoology. Here's who's coming in January. So again, please check Schoology as much as you can, because that's where you're going to see jobs, internships, opportunities, camps, field trips. That's where all the information's going. So Mrs. Bahari and I also do a newsletter often, and those are housed also on our Highland Park webpage. Right here is the CCRC happenings, and here are the pathway happenings. So if you're ever confused on where to go find it, that's another great resource to go to. But if you have any other ideas of how to get information to you, we would love to hear it, okay? But Schoology for now is what we've been doing. What is happening this spring? You should have seen out in Schoology that we are offering a whole bunch of opportunities this spring, and please take a look at that if you're interested. There are about 50 jobs available, so I would definitely take a peek, and if you're interested in that, then I would fill out, there's a form in Schoology, please fill that out, and you'll hear from me shortly. Again, you can always find me in the library too if you need me. So another thing that happens with jobs, and I just want to throw this in here, sometimes we're not sure how to even apply for a job, right? But when you do apply for a job, please make sure you take the application seriously. If you have a typo on your application, they're not going to take you seriously. You need to check your email. Email is basically the #1 place where potential employers are going to get in touch with you. Be prepared for your interview. You need to answer interview questions. I can always go over common ones, but one for sure you should answer is tell me about yourself. Never apply after the deadline. Always be aware of the deadlines and always do a follow-up. Hi, thank you so much for interviewing me. Would love to know when I can hear more about the position. That goes a long way, okay? So if you need any more tips on that, please let me know. But again, summer jobs, they hire now. They hire now in February. So March is almost too late. So you need to start looking. Right Track is a great way to get a job for the summer. Here is the link for Right Track, and they even have a link there that you can fill out to be notified of when they're going to hire. Another great, we call them third parties that will help you find a job is called Urban Boat Builders. These are definitely for the people who like to do hands-on work. They hire from 16-year-olds to 21-year-olds. And again, here is their website and how you apply. Summer camps is another thing that will come out. And you should always look into summer camps too, because it's a great resume builder and it's a great college application builder. So please pay attention to those camps as well. And sometimes they even pay you to go to the camps. Okay, so questions. If you have any questions, please get a hold of me. The rest of this information is for juniors. So juniors, there are two amazing internships that happen this year for you. One is through a company called Genesis Works. They will train you this summer, and then next school year, you will leave during the school day, or it might remain virtual. We'll have to see what happens. But you are going to be working for a Fortune 500 company, and you will be getting paid very nicely. And they're more IT, so information technology work. Okay, that's more, if you're interested in that, you should definitely come to the information session, which is Wednesday on the January 12th. So click here if you want to fill that, or if you want to come to that. And then Brand Lab, they came to you guys in the fall and they explained about their internships in marketing. So here's the application for that. Okay, Scots, a lot of information. Please know I'm here for you and have a good day.